Good day everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explain the difference between made of, made from, made with and made out of. If you are often in doubt about using these phrases, stay with me until the end of this video and find answers to these questions. We'll also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. The verb make means to create, build or produce something. There are some prepositions which are used with made to give more specific meanings about how something was created or what it consists of. The first one is made with. We use it when talking about food or drinks and the ingredients that are added to them. This lemonade is made with fresh lemon juice and mint. That pizza is made with tomatoes and cheese. The next one is made of. We use it when we talk about the material from which something is made. This table is made of wood. The necklace is made of gold. The next one is made from. It is used when we talk about the material which has been changed to form something else. For example, paper is made from trees. My dress is made from cotton. The phrase made out of is similar to made from. If made from means that the material has been transformed, that made out of emphasizes that something has been repurposed to make another thing. For example, the t-shirt is made out of old clothes. The toy was made out of plastic spoons. Please compare. This table was made of wood. This means the table's material is wood and you can still recognize it as wood. This table was made from recycled wood. Here, the wood has been recycled, meaning it was used before, then transformed, and only after that became a part of the table. The phrase made from highlights that the original material, wood, went through a change. Or I might say that this table was made from wood. It means the table was created using wood as the raw material, which was transformed into the table. It emphasizes the process of turning wood into the finished product. Sometimes both made of and made from are possible. It depends on what you want to emphasize, the material itself or the transformation process. Let's summarize. Made with is used mainly for food and drinks to show ingredients. For example, the cake is made with chocolate and cream. Made of is used when the material is the main substance and is still recognizable. For example, the table is made of wood. Made from is used when the material has been changed or transformed into something new. For example, paper is made from trees. Made out of is used when something is repurposed or creatively transformed from an existing material or object. For example, the toy was made out of plastic spoons. I hope this made things a bit clearer. If you want to check how you understand the rules, please follow the link in the video description to take the free grammar quiz. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you and goodbye.